Thank you, Claire, back in the studio. And good morning, all you lovely English peoples out there. Welcome to my home. This is Paolo's Cookery Club. So today I'm gonna teach you this lovely jubbly dish in 5 minutes. Very quick, very easy. Now, in England, for the woman, it's not easy. Because in England they have to go to work all day and then come home at night and cook for the husband. They have to keep the man happy and they are very, very fucking tired. For example, Claire, I know your husband is a big fat bastard. It's not easy to keep a man like that happy, eh? So, everyone knows if you don't keep your man happy, he will divorce you. And then in the eyes of baby Jesus, you're no good anymore. You're rubbish. Bloody rubbish you are. Okay, so quick 5-minute dish. Let me start. The ingredients are: number 1, the Parma ham. Oh, it smells so good, the Parma ham. In England, everybody loves Parma ham. It's the law. Get the Parma ham. Where am I going to get Parma ham from? You cannot get it from the garage or from the corner shop. You're going to have to go to the supermarket to get it. For example, you can go Tesco Metro, Tesco Express, or the Tesco Extra, the one so bloody big it's got clothes in. The supermarket, they will have the Parma ham. So, how are you going to turn it into a lovely, delicious, lovely meal? Ingredient number 2 is the dog shit. You need a fresh dog shit. The problem is dog shit, to eat on its own, is very boring to eat just like that, so you got to do something with it. Now, you say to me, Paolo, oh, clever clogs, where am I going to get dog shit from? I ain't got no dog. I tell you, in England, the dog shit, you can get it on the street. You can get it in the park, you can get it pavement, anywhere. But you have to make sure it's fresh. You need one without the footprint, not with footprint. That one's no good, you can use it. Okay, so you have it. You have to get some herbs. You rub the herbs into the dog shit. Oh yes, you can smell them. Then, looking, you have to wrap the Parma ham around the dog shit till you get like this. Okay, this small one I'll show you, okay, yeah? Now I know you ain't got time to wait, so I made one already. I'll show you now. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna taste it for you. That is fucking delicious. I'm sorry, Claire, but it is. It's so good. There you have. Quick, easy meal. 5 minutes. Don't cost hardly anything. Come back next week for more recipes at Paolo Cookery Club. Thank you. Back to you, Claire.